Aam Aadmi Party leader has done one statement regarding saying that Congress is not trustworthy and this election they will go alone. What do you like to say about this?
2022 parliamentary elections, 2024 parliamentary elections, we all came together to defeat BJP, and that's how we could give a good fight and stop the BJP from crossing the halfway mark. People appreciated the unity. Now, as far as the alliance is concerned, alliance one way is that India for a parliamentary election, that all these parties are together, including Aam Aadmi Party, Congress, and all other political parties. As far as assembly elections are concerned, every state leaders decide from all the political parties whether it is beneficial to go solo or whether to fight these elections unitedly under the India banner. That is completely separate. The parliament election, the strategy is separate, and the state assembly election strategy is separate. Now, for example, in Punjab in parliament election, we did not fight together. In Delhi and Haryana, we did not fight together. As far as the Goa is concerned, both the leadership is yet to decide whether we are going together or we are fighting independent. So this is the authority of our national leaders, on which I cannot comment. Now, whatever Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi has made a statement, I don't want to comment on her statement because she represents her party. Whatever is our party stand, our AICC leadership, the CWC meeting will take a call on that, and accordingly we will come out of our strategy, what we are going to do in our 2027 assembly elections. Maybe it looks like Aam Aadmi leadership is under pressure from BJP. That's what we had heard in Haryana and Delhi, that they should not go with the Congress. So if that is their way of working, we are the only party which fight BJP throughout India. We are the only party which fighting BJP and India. It's not there in small pockets, and they are our number one enemies as far as India is concerned, because their ideology and our ideology is completely different. If some parties who wants to help BJP, it is their wish. We cannot stop anybody from doing that. But right now the issue is many parties are now thinking of targeting Congress and not the BJP. Now in the central and in the state, BJP is ruling, Congress is not ruling. But if they feel the Congress is a threat, it is up to them. We don't want to react on that.
So it is the right to say that Congress is not a trustworthy party?
See, it is her. Now, why she fought parliament election together? So she has to ask her own leaders before making this comment.
So BJP दबाव घातला का दिसता तुमका एका
The indication is same. No? Indication is same. She is coming and attacking Congress party in Goa. This clearly means that they are under pressure. We are not ruling in Goa, nor we are ruling in Delhi. So both places BJP is leading. So if they are really fighting, they have to fight with BJP. Why they have to fight with Congress? We have just 3 MLAs in Goa.
So one more thing, what is the update of defector case in Goa?
Yeah. I was lucky that my lawyer Abhijit Gosavi has played a nice strategy in the High Court. When my matter came up in the Supreme Court, all the lawyers, including my own lawyers and lawyers from the opposition, were shocked that with such a fast speed, the matter was disposed by the High Court. Thanks to the strategies played by Advocate Abhijit Gosavi, who actually kept them unaware about the strategy, and he immediately asked the Honorable High Court to dispose my matter without doing any hearing, and we did not argue anything simply because the matter was already decided by the High Court. In the normal case, the lawyers will say we will argue the matter and deal with you. So my lawyer Abhijit has nicely played a trick on all of them. They were caught unaware, and High Court was kind enough to dispose my petition at a very within 25 days, and now the matter has reached Supreme Court. Supreme Court has already issued the notices, and the next date that is fixed tentatively was on 29th April. So now I have 2 full years to get a hearing. My earlier matter was also tagged with this matter, so both the petitions will be heard together. So now the question of law will be decided by the Supreme Court whether only the MLAs can decide. म्हणजे फक्त पहिले आमदार एक जातात, आम्ही 2/3 म्हणतात आणि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वरतांनी मर्ज करता. हें देशभर चलता. दिस इज बॅड आनी हाका खंय तरी बंद पडपाक जाय. पयशा खातीर आसलें राजकारण चलता आनी त्या खातीर म्हाका 2 वर्सांच्या टायमा भितर म्हाका दिसता आनी 6 ते 7 म्हयन्या भितर म्हाजें पिटिशन डिस्पोज जातलें आनी देशांक 10th शेड्युलाचो कायदो कितें की पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन डिसिजन घेवप आनी 2/3 आमदारांनी ताका सपोर्ट करप आनी तेजे नंतरूच वॅलीड म्हाका दिसता सुप्रीम कोर्ट हें बेगीनचे बेगीन डिस्पोज करता.